Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to do this post review. It is from DP with Sparklers. It is my dripping rainbow. So please join me as I finish, give you a little what's a happened this weekend, and give you my post review of what I think of this dripping with diamond rainbow. So I hope you enjoy. Hey, look at this beautiful painting. I am so excited. I am almost done with this, and I wanted you guys to be here to help me finish it. So I'm going to flip it around, and yeah. So I have this little orangey spot and this little like blue gray spot. So we are going to dive in and finish this up, and then I'm going to give my post review. So this is like a WIP and Chat meets a review. Oh my goodness, these little bags. I need to try to figure out how to do. Okay, so why is this in a little bag? Part of my review. What am I doing? Okay, let's back the train up. This is from DP with Sparklers. You will have to email them to get your paintings. They're working on getting them up on the website. But DP with Sparklers is getting into diamond painting. And I will put a little card up here if you want to look it up, or also I'll put it at the end that you can watch me unbox this. I'll also put a link down below as far as emailing them and like how to order this painting. And they have some other paintings as well, which she can send you photos of. They're just working out the kinks on how to get it up on their website. They are a small business, and they're not working out of Etsy. They're working out of their website. It's so worth it, though. The quality of this painting is beyond belief. You get not only high quality normal round drills, but you get rhinestones, and you get, oh, my rhinestone fell between the rhinestones. You also get ABs. So you're getting these amazing 3 different types of drills, and the pricing is phenomenal for the size and everything. And so I'm very excited to be able to do this painting. When I saw it at the retreat, I had to buy it. I didn't care if I had to like, steal from Peter to pay Paul, or if I had to do like Robin Hood and be like, hey, stop someone in the middle of the road and ask for some change so I could get this diamond painting. Anyway, I would never steal from an actual person. It's, steal from Peter to pay Paul is a term that means, you're moving your own money around, and, if you have a bill to pay, you pay the bill that's due first. And yeah, it's just a funny saying, that's all. So yeah, my daughter's soccer tournament went fantastic. We were in 92 to 95 degree heat all weekend. Felt like 100 to 110, and those girls just put their hearts out there. They ended up winning 2. They did lose their first game. The first game, though, was the first game they'd ever played together as a team. They had so last year there were 2 teams in her age bracket in her club. She plays club travel soccer. And what they did this year, based on tryouts, is half of Team A and half of Team B they put together to make a new Team A, and the other half of Team A and Team B they put together to make a new Team B. And she's on Team A. It's the players that just, I don't want to say they're better players. I want to say they're players that own soccer. Like, they're at all the practices and they're playing their hearts out and they talk on the field and they listen to the coach and they're just, you know, there's a reason that they're out there. And so their first game, they only lost by 2. It was 3-1. However, they were playing against, my daughter is, the people on her team are 13 to 14 years old, and they were playing 16, 17-year-olds and who were like in a step up league. So yeah, where did I put that? Okay. The reason these are in little baggies is that when I got done, there were 2 colors that ran out. And because this is a supplier, this is the first time they're going through. If you see my unboxing, how they sent the drills, they're all pre-weighed, right? So they're in, let me show you. This is from this kit. And so they're in like 1 full bag and they're pre-weighed. And so for DP with Sparklers, Tina, there was no way for her to quality control, will there be enough drills? Like, you've just got to trust your factory. And so there were 2 colors. However, what I love about DP with Sparklers is they sell these. So she had the drills and the rhinestones, and these 2 rhinestones she quick threw in the mail, and I'm able to finish it right away. And she was gonna send the first color out ASAP, but I told her, I said, wait till I'm completely done, because you don't know if your factory mismeasured any other of these rhinestone colors. I will show you, second, I gotta sneeze. Okay, I'm back. I will show you all the leftovers, all the other colors, plenty of colors. So I don't know if somebody was, you know, at the wheel sleeping. I don't know if, you know, there was something wrong with the scale or the machine. But yeah, Tina gives great customer service, so please definitely reach out to her. I cannot wait to see what she comes up with next. I am drooling, waiting. I have 1 more of her paintings to do. I am planning on a Blinging in the New Year again in January, and so I'm super excited. I gotta figure out though what I want to do with it. So I am super excited. So get your rhinestones and ABs over Christmas. Treat yourself, because we are going to be blinging like crazy the new year. So I'm excited about that. Right. So yes, back to the tournament. We were hot cookies out there, but we did fine. And my daughter had a fantastic time. It was a good distraction for us too. All right, so I'm going to put these away, and then we're going to dive into the review, because there's several things I did to this painting that I want to show you. Super excited. So I kind of bling this out a little bit more, but I want to first show you. All right, so this is from DP with Sparklers. It has the little logo at the top. You've got your key over here, and you've got your key down here. Doesn't really have a name. It is licensed work as far as open source, which means that she's able to use it. Okay, so here we go. It came with everything you see in the rainbow, which are ABs and rhinestones. And then it also came with white ABs. Okay, so what did I do? I also added sparklers to some of these down here. So sparklers are a special over-the-top sparkle. So I updated and did some sparklers here. I did replace some of the flowers with I think it was 414 ABs, because it had it as an AB, but it was the same color as the background. And so even though it had a different shimmer to it, because the background was white and light gray, I couldn't see, like, it didn't pop enough for me. So I went ahead and put 414 in there because that was already used in the painting. Let's see here. Like right here is an example. So this flower is white AB, but it's going into the gray. And so it didn't pop as much as I wanted, and that's why I changed it. So like right here, that's why I put 414 there as well. And then up here, I had 414 as well, just because I wanted a little bit of depth of color. So these are my own ABs that I had bought from DP with Sparklers that I put in here. Oh my goodness, I missed those 6s. I'm gonna fill that up while we're talking. Those are ABs. Yeah, as you can see, because I did my finish live, I did not do what I call the light pad change, which is where I turn on the light pad and I put it over the painting over the light pad to see if I missed anything. Because when you go from color to color and you're doing this really late at night, sometimes you miss stuff. Okay, so here we go. All right. Let me just show you my leftovers. So here's my leftovers. As you can see, I had plenty of the rhinestone colors. This was the one I ran out of, but I had plenty of the rhinestone. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 rhinestone colors. Phenomenal. And then there's 2 ABs, the yellow and the white. And then these were the normal colors. There's 5 of those. So I had plenty of those drills. Let's turn this back around so you can see. The one thing, but I didn't, as you can see, I just cut the tops off because I was working so fast on this, because this was a great color blocking piece. I finished very quickly. I didn't really kit it up, so I got this from the Dollar Tree and I just cut the tops off and I worked out of it. One thing I did notice is that the key is in segments of DMC order, but it's normal drills, ABs, and then at DMC order of the rhinestone. So it's not straight DMC order. That didn't affect me, but if you're gonna kit up, you know, and you make a copy and you cut it out, I just wanted to let you know that, but it wasn't a huge deal to me. Drills were phenomenal. The glue stick was phenomenal. The symbols, everything looked really clear. As you can see, they're all A, B, C, D. I could tell everything. There wasn't really anything that crossed over. The A you could see very clearly, but I would recommend maybe in the future, if you have these dark purples or dark blues, that you switch the font to white. But because I was using my light pad, it wasn't a big deal. And let's see, what else do I... Yeah, the canvas, as you can see, beautiful canvas. Great. I love how it turned out. The rendering was amazing. And I give this like 5 stars. I enjoyed this, working on this so much. and the sparkle is, you just want to stare at it all day, and you just want to pet it. You just want to be like, oh, it's so beautiful. So thank you so much, Tina at DP with Sparklers, for all your hard work, for working with the factory, for persevering, for pushing through. The one thing was the yellow AB kind of felt odd. I know it probably was really hard and you had to switch to a yellow AB, because here what they did is they had two different color rhinestones to give you that vision of the sunburst, and that's what they did with the yellow. But it was kind of, I don't know, a little, I don't know. So it doesn't affect it too much. I just noticed it felt a little inconsistent, you know, especially here in the burst with the gold and the AB. So I'm not sure how I would fix that or change that. I'm not super creative. So yes, that's the only thing I questioned, but it wasn't a make or break, and it wasn't a dig against it or a mark against it. It was just a, oh, moment, you know, just a scratch your head moment. All right, so guys, thank you so much for sticking around, for watching this. This is my review of DP with Sparklers. 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. Go check her out. All the information is down below. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.